Did you know that you can sketch embroidery designs with the Artspira app? Artspira allows you to bring in an image as a background that you can sketch over to create your own unique works of art. Touch New at the bottom to start a new embroidery design. Select Drawing Tools, choose your hoop size, and you're ready to begin. Simply touch the Background tool, locate a picture, and change the orientation if desired. Resize the image to fit the hoop. It is easier to see your creations come to life if you lighten your image. Touch Done to begin working with the image. Select a running stitch and slide the smoothing bar to the left for more accuracy. You may also find it helpful to use a stylus that works with your device for more precision. Once you have your background ready, simply begin sketching over the image. For heavier lines, go over an area multiple times. Continue until your sketch is completed. Here's my completed sketch. For even more interest, you can add text to the sketch with your handwriting in Artspira or by using a built-in font on your embroidery machine. Sketching designs is so much fun with the Artspira app.